In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Firefox. First, let's begin by navigating to the official Firefox download page. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering the web address. Type in firefox.com in the address bar and hit enter. This page is the official source for downloading Firefox, ensuring that you get the most secure and up-to-date version. It's crucial to download software from the official site to avoid any malicious versions. Once the page loads, you will see a bright, inviting interface that displays options for downloading Firefox. Next, look for the button that says Download Firefox. It's usually prominently displayed on the page. When you click this button, the download process will start automatically. You might see a prompt asking you to confirm that you want to download the file. This is a standard security measure to ensure you are aware of the download. Clicking this button is your first step toward accessing a fast and secure web browsing experience. Once the download begins, you will see the progress in your downloads bar. After the download is complete, it's time to open the downloaded installer. Go to your downloads folder, which can typically be found in the sidebar of your file explorer. You should see a file labeled Firefox Installer or something similar. Double-clicking this file will initiate the installation process. It's important to open the installer right away to ensure that you're installing the latest version. If you wait too long, you may miss out on important updates. Now you will be guided through the installation prompts. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. The installer will usually ask for your permission to make changes to your computer, which is necessary for the installation to proceed. Click Yes or Allow when prompted. This step is crucial because it ensures the software is properly integrated into your system. You might also be offered options to customize your installation, such as choosing a default browser. Take your time to review these options, as they can greatly enhance your browsing experience later. Once you have followed all the installation prompts, you will see a message confirming that the installation is complete. This is an important moment as it signifies that you have successfully installed Firefox on your computer. You might also see an option to launch Firefox immediately after clicking Finish. This is a convenient way to get started with your new browser right away. Finally, open Firefox when the installation is complete. If you opted not to launch it right away, you can find the Firefox icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Double-click the icon to open the browser. You will be greeted with a welcome screen that offers tips on how to get started. This initial setup can help you personalize your browsing experience. Remember, this is your gateway to a secure and efficient online world. Enjoy exploring what Firefox has to offer.